first thing that you'll want to do is make the water using a split stitch and 3 strands of embroidery floss. To do a split stitch, bring your needle from the back to the front. Go 1 stitch length forward. And just like the name suggests, the next stitch you're going to come up through the back, but you're going to split the middle of the previous stitch. So come right up through the middle of that thread. And then go another stitch length forward. And then come up through the middle of that stitch. This is another great stitch for outlining things. And just like with the back stitch, if you come to some curves, you can shorten the length of your stitch to make it so that the curves are more smooth. If I'm outlining something that has a lot of curves, this is actually my favorite stitch to use. And sometimes at the end of my split stitch, depending on what look I'm going for, this last stitch, every other stitch is split and that one isn't. So I like to go back and split that one and then just end right here at the end of that previous stitch. I don't really know if that's how you're supposed to do it, but I feel like it gives it a more uniform look for my entire split stitch.